everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and I want to talk to you about this travel neck pillow I just got. If you're looking to elevate your next traveling experience, then definitely check this Luvcor travel neck pillows. These are super comfortable and I love how thoughtful they are that they come with this eye mask and earplugs, making it super easy for you to take a good nap whenever you're on the plane or whenever you're on a road trip. You're gonna see how perfectly designed this is. I love how ergonomically made it is. I love the fact that it has a removable cover, which makes it super easy for you to wash. And I also like that it has this Velcro because it's super easy for you to put on or carry on your purse or backpack. You're also gonna notice this is made out of premium quality memory foam, which makes it extra comfortable whenever you are using it. Something we also like is that it comes in a green and a black color. So my husband and I have our own, which makes it great. We can always bring it with us whenever we're taking a road trip or we are traveling. So if you're trying to elevate your next traveling experience, definitely check these pillows out by Luvcor, and that is my point of view.